friends, welcome to TechLake video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to give you brief information about upcoming recession and recovery. So even if recession comes or not coming, so that's it depends on that we cannot predict that, but most of the companies, most of the countries, they are highlighting. So 2023, we can expect a huge recession. Even if recession comes, even even if you're not coming also, definitely some people lose their jobs when it comes to IT who are working in very old technologies. So even an issue, all old ETL tools, old data warehousing technologies, old reporting tools, that's a traditional, because most of the organizations are moving to cloud. When companies are moving to cloud, right, even if recession not coming also, they will remove for old technology who are there in a very old technology, because they don't have that projects. Then if they don't have a project, they won't get a billing, definitely they will fire. So they'll look for only latest technology. Even if a recession comes also, so only few things like a cloud-based big data combination. Definitely there is a huge demand, and you don't need to worry about that if already working in big data cloud combination. And who are like most of the students or people ask me, sir, I don't have a experience in programming language. I can't learn programming language. I can't learn big data, but I want a job. So I'm going to give you some information about even without big data, you can get a job, but later you should learn, because Python is mandatory for any cloud-based big data. But entry level, some jobs are there without Python, without big data, even you can get a job. But that is for less experienced people. Slowly, once you get experience, my suggestion is go with a PySpark, go with the Databricks and PySpark in a cloud. But still, you can learn, sir, I can learn that later, but I want immediately. I can't remember all these things. So, so this video I'm going to give you one option is Snowflake. So cloud-based data warehouse. Only SQL data warehousing skill set. Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse. Pure data warehouse projects are there in cloud. You can get some opportunities with a less experienced people. So this option you can choose if you have a less experience and you want a job immediately in 2023. So I'm going to start a new batch. So multiple students are asking me for Snowflake. I'm going to start new batch and third week of this month. So third week. It's a weekend session. It's a weekend, and fee it's around 7,000. I'm going to charge 7,000. I'm going to provide complete videos, documents, projects, code, everything with a real time. I will provide that. Everyday sessions, you'll get it easily. So I'm going to start a new Snowflake training. So third week of this month. And other than the Snowflake, okay, and because even most of the people already working in Snowflake, even many people learn and many people are working, and little competition is there. So it's not easy. So you need to learn, then only you'll get a job, but it's not a hard to learn because it's a SQL only. Next one is less competition. So less competition is Synapse Analytics, Microsoft Azure Synapse Analytics. Azure Databricks competitor, and Microsoft introduced one service called Synapse Analytics, same as like a Databricks. Like they are having a different kinds of pools like SQL pool, Spark pool, Data Explorer like this. But primarily SQL is a basic thing, and warehousing projects, more warehousing projects, not big data projects. Big data means Spark will be there. Same Synapse Analytics, pure warehousing projects are there in cloud, and they need a Synapse Analytics experience. So not ADF, not a dedicated SQL pool. ADF and dedicated SQL pool combination, who already having a dedicated SQL pool experience, ADF experience, they can work easily. And if you don't have anything, just like a Snowflake, you need to learn SQL data warehouse concepts and notebooks concept here. Like a Snowflake also is having a workbook kind of same thing here. So this is second option. Why I'm suggesting this? Synapse Analytics is having a less resources in industry as of now. Like Snowflake is having a plenty of resources. AWS is having a plenty of resources. Many people learn from past 3 or 4 years. And ADF also many people are there. And Databricks also last 2-3 years you can expect many people are learned. But Snowflake is a new and less resources are available, but many projects are there. So this is the second option I'll suggest. But I cannot start a new batch immediately. Maybe February month I can start a new batch, but I'm giving a hint. If you are looking for immediately, this is second option. And third option is which you can go with Google Cloud. Even Google Cloud also less resources are available. And without big data, this combination. So without big data, so this combination you can go with this. So without big data, so Google BigQuery is a data warehouse. So pure data warehouse projects also coming in Google Cloud without big data, pure data warehouse projects. So you need only SQL, but don't settle here. Once you get a job, once you get some experience, right? So then slowly understand big data, learn Spark, learn PySpark. That is my suggestion. To stay in an industry more years, this is the best strategy. And this year, even if recession comes, if it is not coming, it doesn't matter. Follow this trend, you will get easily. And this month, I can make sure I can start a new batch on Snowflake. Okay. And next month, I'll start Synapse Analytics. Next month, I'll start, but I cannot confirm the date, but I can start a Synapse Analytics one batch, at least a weekend batch I can start. Okay. So Snowflake, I'm going to start this month. If anyone is interested, reach me, and I'll specify my email ID in the video description. You can go through that, reach me. I'll share the details. Thank you and all the best. Keep learning. Always upgrade your skill set. Thank you all. See you in another video. Have a good day.